Fieldy Review and Setup Guide. Your AI-powered memory assistant that helps you remember anything across your work. Let's start with the desktop version. After logging into Fieldy, go to the top menu and click Desktop. Then choose Download for Windows. Your browser will download the Fieldy installer. Once the download appears, click it to open the installer. When the setup screen appears, choose Sign in with Web. Then continue with Google. You will see a message saying this site wants to open Fieldy. Tick the Always Allow option, then click Open. Now we are inside the Fieldy app. Let's set up your Fieldy wearable AI note taker. Step 1. Charge your Fieldy. Use the USB-C cable and connect it to any power source. Next, long press the side button to turn it on. When you see a pulsating white light, Fieldy is in pairing mode. Open the Fieldy app. When it finds your device, tap Connect. Short press the button to check battery status. Green is above 20%. Yellow is between 5 and 20%. Red means below 5%. Keep the Fieldy app running in the background so your device stays connected. You can create a voice profile to help Fieldy better recognize your voice. Or skip this step for now. That's it. When you connect your device, Fieldy automatically starts capturing and transcribing your moments. If you want to try Fieldy or grab Fieldy 3, I've added the link in the description and pinned comment. Here's how to write notes and search old memories in Fieldy, fast. To create a note, click Start New Note. Now I'm playing a short YouTube video, and Fieldy automatically transcribes everything in real time. Mind Manager is a powerful visual planning tool. Let me show you how it works in under 60 seconds. Sorting, priority, and progress. I've added similar details for due date, and Fieldy automatically transcribes everything in real time. You can pause anytime, scroll through the text, or edit the note. To share or reuse this note, click the Share button at the top. Then paste the link into your browser, and Fieldy shows the full text output instantly. To find old memories, just type a keyword. I'll search for Mind Manager. Fieldy instantly pulls up my previous notes. You can also use the chat panel to get step-by-step explanations or summaries. And that's it. Now let's quickly review what Fieldy actually offers. Fieldy is a wearable AI note-taker that records your conversations, transcribes them in 100+ languages, and creates AI summaries so you never miss important details again. The best part is, even the free plan is powerful. You get 150 minutes of transcription every month, unlimited saved history, smart reminders, speaker identification, and full AI summaries. If you upgrade to Plus or Pro, you get custom summary templates, more monthly minutes, multi-device sync, and priority AI processing. These are optional, the free plan already works great. If you're using Fieldy 3, the wearable device lets you record hands-free. It automatically connects to your phone, supports gesture control, and makes capturing conversations effortless. Everything I showed on desktop works exactly the same on mobile. Both iPhone and Android apps support recording, search, summaries, and AI chat. Fieldy is perfect for busy professionals, students, journalists, creators, healthcare workers, and anyone who wants a reliable AI memory assistant. In my experience, Fieldy's free plan already gives you everything you need to stay organized. The transcription accuracy is impressive, the AI summaries save a lot of time, and the search feature makes old memories instantly accessible. If you want hands-free capture, the Fieldy 3 device is worth it. If you want to try Fieldy, I've added the link in the description and pinned comment. You can also check their free plan before deciding.